Greetings from Apex Motor Enterprise Dimapur, Nagaland. Mohan aji ekta bishi important information diwole ase. Etu hule do next year January 2025 pra Mahindra wa 3% price increase kuri ase. Etu nimide apni khan gari kinibole plan kuri ase, interested ase hule do December apni khan nimide perfect month hole ase. December do kile perfect month ase kushe kule do mohan customer benefits bhi DSA. For example, Thar day up to 1.39 lakhs. Edu nishina alag gari khan tibi mohan customer benefits DSA. Idula oporde mohan Apex Motor Enterprise pra mohan la customers khan nimide Christmas bonanza organize kurina ase. Edu ki ase bole do November 21st pra loigena December 22nd tak mohan la customers khan kun bhi purchase kuri ase bole do raffle coupon power. Yate first prize to hule scooty ase, edu nishna second, third, fourth aro fifth prize bhi ase. Edu raffle draw do date 23 December de draw kurule ase. So apni khan purchase kurule interested ase gule do this month is the perfect month to drive your favorite Mahindra car to your home. Apni khan aro information lage ase gule do mohan ge DM kurule paro or niche dia la number de contact kurule paro.